Hello everybody, so I posted a video on how to make glueless frontal, okay, for your braided band wig, for your gele, for your scarf. If you just want something very casual, very simple, very unique, you don't have to break the bank. I posted a video on how you can actually achieve this glueless frontal. So I got a lot of questions on the comment section. Some people were asking me, what kind of hairs do you use for the glueless, what kind of products, what's the size of the band and all of that. So let me quickly do a simple explanation. This video is not going to be very long. Let me quickly explain to you. Okay, now for the hair, these are the frontals. Now this frontal is being sold for 6,000 naira. Some people are selling it lesser, while some people are selling it for 6,000. I bought mine for 6,000 naira for just this one. Okay, now if you want to buy, you don't know where to buy, all you have to do is just go to the description, pick up my number, or check through the comment section. My number is there. You can place your order from there. It's 6,000 naira. Okay, so if you want this one, this is a blend frontal, human hair blend frontal. If you want the human hair owned from 10 inches to 14 inches, all you have to do is just come to the comment to my WhatsApp and indicate it on WhatsApp, whichever one you want. If you want me to style like this for you, okay, already styled, all you have to do is just come and place your order, pick your styles and have it ready and delivered to you. You don't have to stress. We also do that as well. Message me on WhatsApp. Now let me explain. For the band, someone was asking me the length, 8 inches. Okay, I've not put this one I'm wearing right now. There is no band on it. All I had to do was just to tie it at my back, so there is no band on it. Okay, so let me quickly correct you guys on something. You see this angle, if they've put band on it and you feel you don't like the way this angle is, this other side will slip. Okay, once there is a band, it will slip. You see the way it is on me like this, it's going to slip. But if you don't like this place lifting, because I noticed some of them they do lift, but some are very okay. So if you notice your own do lift, it's not a problem, it's not stress. All you have to do is just get your butterfly spray. Okay, now this spray is good for holding. You don't have to put gum, all those glue, no. All you have to do is just to spray little quantity on that place and leave it for about some minutes. Let it stick. When you touch it, it will feel very sticky and as if it wants to glue with your hand. All you have to do is just to press this down a little bit. You see what I'm doing? Press it down, then you get this band. If you're buying the full pack is about 3.5. The full bundle is about 3.5. There are some that they are cutting, they are measuring for 500. All you have to do is just use this. Let it go 360 on your head though. This one is very short. This is 8 inches. Then you tie it down and allow it to dry off. Then you remove it. This place will stick to you. Okay. Then you use your foundation to blend in, or you use your spray, little quantity, to blend in with your skin tone. Okay, so this is 8 inches. Now for the hairspray, this is sold for, I think I got mine for 5,500. Some vendors are selling lesser, some vendors are selling higher. It depends on where you're buying from. Okay, so when I got it for 5,500 naira. This is the big one. Now the small one is available for those of you who are on a budget. You can get the small one. Okay, you can get it and do it for personal use. But if you're doing in bulk, you have to get this. If you're doing from 50 pieces, 70 pieces upwards, you're going to use 2 to 3 cans of this. If you're doing from 50 pieces to 70 pieces upwards, you're going to use 3 cans of this. And this is good for holding. Okay, once you're done applying your Gorilla Gel, which I'm going to show you now, you're going to use this. Okay, this holds perfectly, no matter how it is, no matter how you rough it, it's going to look very beautiful. It's going to look very neat. Now for the Gorilla Gel, this is the Gorilla Gel. We all know the regular gel, but this is not a regular gel. This is good for this particular glueless frontal. Okay, if you want it to stay the way it is, the way you're styling your hair, you use this. Anyhow you want to style the frontal, you use this Gorilla Gel. Now this is the big bottle. A lot of vendors are selling for 12,500, 8,500, 7,000, 6,500. Depends on where you're buying from. Okay, me, I bought in stock. I think I bought 12 dozen, and I bought that 12 dozen for, I bought 12, well, I bought one for 6,500. Okay, so if you're buying, it depends on where you're buying from. Totally depends on where you're buying from. If you're buying from a retail store, I think it's about 8,500 or so, or 9,000. I don't know. Anywhere you see it, you get it. So this is Gorilla Gel. This is Gorilla Gel. Always compare your prices when you are going to buy all the equipment you need. It also has a small bottle. I used to have it, but I think I've trashed it. So this is the small but the big bottle. It also has a small size if you are on a budget. Okay, now the next thing you will need is pins. I have T-pins, but I don't know where I kept my T-pins, so I'm using this set of pins. If you have this set of pins as well, I don't know if you can see it. If you have this set of pins, you are good to go. If you have T-pins, you are good to go. Now this is the use of the pins. Can you see what I'm doing here? So these are the use of the pins. You use it to hold down the glueless frontal. Okay, if you watch the video, you will understand where to position your pins. You can use it to also hold your edges so that it doesn't move or look very rough. That is the use of the pins. Then what else? You need this as well. This is sold for 800 to 1,000 depending on where you're buying from. Don't always hold my price. Prices do change. Some prices are cheaper, some prices are expensive, so it depends on where you're buying from. So you're going to use this. So I guess that has answered your question. If you have any other question concerning the glueless wig, now you can actually cash out with this particular glueless frontal. So a lot of vendors on the street, of Instagram, on TikTok, Facebook, they are actually selling this glueless frontal for 15,000. Some are selling for 18,000. It depends on the profit margin you want to make. Okay, now if you have 50k, invest on glueless frontal. We can style for you and we can sell for you for the rate of 8,500 while you go and add your profit and sell. Okay, so if you're interested, all you have to do is just click on my description box or check my comment section. My number is there. Message me on WhatsApp and let's get started. I hope that has answered all the questions you have concerning glueless frontal, and I've explained extensively on the glueless frontal. And I don't think there's any other thing, because I'm currently working on a client's order, like I said before. So I don't think there's any other thing. Okay, one thing I noticed is if you're styling your glueless frontal, if you want it to be very smooth like this, please guys, don't mat it when it's wet. Leave it, let it dry. Shh. Don't mat when it's wet. Mat it when it's dry. Like what I'm doing now, I'm currently matting because it's already, you can see it's already dried, so I'm matting now. That is my observation. Don't mat it when it is wet. If you mat when it is wet, this side is going to look very rough. It's not going to look very smooth. It's not going to give you that beautiful finish you're looking for. Can you see what I'm rocking now? You see how smooth and beautiful it is. So that's that. So if you want to learn how to do it, all you have to do is just go and watch that video, learn how to style, learn how to get your size, ear to ear size, then look for any other beautiful style you want to create with your glueless frontal and do it. Okay, I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.